Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get verified on Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. On the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums and playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get verified on Bandlab. So first, ensure you meet the prerequisites for verification, such as being a public figure, artist, or brand. Then gather necessary information and create a video showcasing yourself and explaining why you should be verified. When you have gathered all of these things and you have, of course, gotten the proof, go to Bandlab Help Center and submit your verification request. You can find the submission from the link that I will be providing you. So you can do that on, of course, bandlab.com, which is here. Then, Bandlab will review your request and verify your account if it meets their criteria. Keep in mind that verification does not guarantee approval and meeting the prerequisites is essential. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that's everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.